Confused by all the buzzwords like Bitcoin, crypto, and blockchain? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down cryptocurrency in the simplest way possible. Let's go. Cryptocurrency is digital money. Just like the cash in your wallet, you can use it to buy stuff, except it's 100% online. But here's the cool part. Cryptos don't need banks. They run on something called blockchain, which is like a giant online notebook that keeps track of every transaction. And once something is written there, it can't be changed or faked. With regular money, like rupees or dollars, a central bank or government controls it. But with crypto, no one controls it. There's no middleman. It's peer-to-peer, meaning you can send or receive crypto directly to someone else, anywhere in the world, 24/7. Plus, many cryptocurrencies have limited supply, like Bitcoin, which makes them different from printed cash. You can use crypto to buy things online, invest or trade. Note, we won't cover that here. Play blockchain games, or even donate to charities. Some people also use it to send money across countries faster and cheaper than banks. Crypto is secure if you use it wisely. It uses strong encryption, but the risks come from scams, fake projects, or if you lose your wallet key. There's no forgot password button in crypto, so always store your private keys and passwords safely. Crypto is more than just digital money. It's part of a bigger movement to make finance and the internet more open and decentralized. It powers things like smart contracts, NFTs, Web3 apps, and even entire digital economies in games and the metaverse. So, let's recap. Crypto, ESOL digital money, runs on blockchain, no banks needed, can be used to buy, send, and build. But you must use it safely. We're just getting started. Subscribe for more crypto basics, explained without the jargon.